In Maths chapter number 5, Lines and Angles, today I will solve some examples of exercise 5.1. So with the help of those examples, you can solve the other examples. Example number 1, find complement of each of the following angles. So we know that what is complementary angles. If the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then those two angles are called complementary angles to each other. Here one angle is given to us. It is with 63 degree and we have to find its complement. Dear students, we know that we add 63 plus the measure of another angle, it should be 90 degree. Means to find the complement angle of 63 degree, we have to subtract 63 from 90. So here I find complement of 63 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 63 degree. So 10 minus 3 7 and 8 minus 6 2. So the complementary angle of 63 degree is 27 degree. Now question number 2, find the supplement of each of the following angles. So supplementary angle. We know that if the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, those two angles are called supplementary angles to each other. Okay, so here we have angle with measure 105 degree. We have to find its supplement. So 105 plus the another angle, it should be 180 degree. Means to find the supplement angle of 105 degree, we have to subtract 105 degree from 180 degree. So here I write supplement of 105 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. So 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 0, 7 and 1 minus 1, 0. So supplementary angle of 105 degree is 75 degree. So dear students, when we have to find the complement angle of given angle, subtract that given angle from 90, and when we have to find the supplementary angle of the given angle, subtract that given angle from 180. Now question number 3, identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Means two measures of angles are given to us. We have to find which pair is complementary pair and which pair is supplementary. So here to find the pair of complementary or supplementary, we have to add the given measures. So 65 degree plus 115 degree, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 6 and 1, 7 and 1, 8. So it is the sum of the given measures of given angles is 180 degree, means 65 degree and 150 degree. They are a pair of supplementary angles. Because we know that the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, so pair of angles are called supplementary angles. Now we add 63 degree and 27 degree. 3 plus 7, 10, 1 carry, 6 and 1, 7, plus 2, 9, it is 90 degree. So dear students, if the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are called the complementary angles to each other. So 63 degree and 27 degree form a pair of complementary angles. Now the next question, find the angle which is equal to its complement. Here measure is not given to us, so we write that let the required angle be x. Okay, so complement of angle x is its complement is 90 degree minus x. Okay, here given to us x is equal to its complement. Okay, here written find the angle which is equal to its complement. So here we have taken an angle is x, its complement angle is 90 degree minus x, and here also given to us that x is equal to its complement. So x is equal to its complement, that is x is equal to 90 degree minus x. Okay, now minus x is right side, we take it left side. So here it is minus, we change the side so it becomes plus. So x plus x is equal to 2x is equal to 90 degree. Here 2 is in multiplication, we take it other side, it goes in division. So x is equal to 90 degree upon 2. So x is equal to 45 degree. So 45 degree is equal to the complement angles. So now the next question number 5, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Here we find equal to complements. Now here we have to find equal to its supplement. So suppose we write that let the required angle be n. Okay, so supplement of angle n is 180 degree minus n. Now the same way here given us that angle which we have taken is equal to its supplement. Means here we write n is equal to its supplement. So n is equal to 180 degree minus n. n is equal to its supplement. Its supplement angle is 180 degree minus n. Now we take minus n this side, it becomes n plus n is equal to 180 degree. So m plus n is 2m plus 180 degree. Sorry, 2m is equal to 180 degree. So m is equal to 180 degree divided by 2. So m is equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree is equal to its supplement. Now the next question, question number 6. Now in question number 6, in the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? See, here we have to decrease angle 1. So what changes we do in angle 2? So after that changes, angle 1 and angle 2 remain supplementary. Okay, so if we decrease, angle 1 is decreased if angle 1 is decreased at the same amount of degree measured, we should increase angle 2. Okay, so at what amount we decrease angle 1, at the same degree amount we have to increase angle 2. I give you example. Suppose angle 1 is 120 degree and angle 2 is 60 degree. See, here we have to decrease angle 1. Suppose I decrease it by 10, so it becomes 110 degree. So at the same amount, here I decrease 10 degree. It was 120 degree. Now it is 110 degree. So it is decreased by 10 degree. So the same 10 degree we have to add in angle 2. So now angle 2 is 70 degree. So we add 110 degree plus 70 degree. It is 180 degree. So after the changes, angle 1 and angle 2 still are supplementary angles. Understood? Now question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are, first we see acute angles. Okay? So we know that supplementary angles, the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree. Those two angles are called supplementary angles to each other. Now they ask us, can two acute angles be supplementary? So we know that acute angles means each angle is with measure less than 90 degree. If we find their sum, we get their sum less than 180 degree. So two acute angles cannot be supplementary angles. Now two obtuse angles can be supplementary angles. So obtuse angles means measure with greater than 90 degree. So when we find their sum, if we add two obtuse angles, their sum is greater than 180 degree, and in supplementary angle the sum must be 180 degree. So we can say that obtuse angle, two obtuse angles cannot be supplementary angles. So here acute angle cannot be supplementary, two acute angles cannot be supplementary, two obtuse angles also cannot be supplementary. Now two right angles can be supplementary. So we know that measure of each right angle is with 90 degree. So when we add two right angles, 90 degree plus 90 degree, it is exact 180 degree. It fulfills the condition of supplementary angles. So we can say that two right angles can be supplementary angles. Now question number 8. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its supplementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Okay, so one angle is given to us, its exact measure is not given to us, but said that it is greater than 45 degree. So we have to find its complementary angle, and that complementary angle, is it greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree. Okay, so we find that, we know that complementary angle means if the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, those two angles are called complementary angles to each other. Okay, so here one angle is greater than 45 degree, and suppose we take that other angle is also greater than 45 degree and we add them. So the sum is greater than 90 degree. So we can say that an angle, suppose one angle is greater than 45 degree, its complementary is not greater than 45 degree. Now we see that an angle is greater than 45 degree. It is one angle is greater than 45 degree. So its complement is equal to 45 degree. Now it is greater than 45 degree and its complement we take 45 degree and we add them. Their sum is greater than 90 degree. So we can say that an angle is greater than 45 degree. Its complement is not equal to 45 degree. Now we see that an angle is 45 degree. So its complement is less than 45 degree. So suppose it is greater than 45 degree and the other angle is less than 45 degree and we add them, we can get 90 degree. So we can say that an angle is greater than 45 degree. Its complement is less than 45 degree. So dear students, today I have solved question number 1 to 8. I hope you have understood all examples. So write all examples of exercise 5.1 in your maths notebook. Till that